Hey, this is Blaine with Stocks Beer Trading, and I'm looking at stocks on watch here for November the 27th. First one up is FSLR, First Solar. We're looking for the break over 26. Nice little ascending triangle setting up on the daily chart. It's been basically setting up for the past 4 months. Could be a pretty big move. And there's also a pretty heavy short position in this thing as well. I did a little write-up on the forum and posted on my blog. I'll put a link to that here. Anyway, watching for that move over 26 probably has room to at least 30 or so. You could draw another line here right about 30. ARQL, I'm looking for a break over 280. If it can get through this level, then I think it has room higher. We've got a huge gap to fill towards almost 5 there, but I mean, I don't see that happening right away, but I definitely see some upside on this thing if it can break through that 280. CHC, watch for follow through over about 210. It kind of broke out off this range on Monday, so if it can get through Monday's high of 210, then it should continue higher. Basically, it had no volume, and then nice little volume increase there on Monday, kind of like what it did back in October, just before it kind of ran again. So I'm thinking this might be due for another push higher. HUSA was pretty much on scan all day on Monday. Been making higher lows on the daily chart and then finally popped again. It definitely looks like it needs back through 60 and then over Monday's high of 62. Probably has room towards 70, maybe 75 again. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I like to see more volume come in, kind of like it did on this day back there at the end of October. Get up in that, several million share traded range. See if we can get a push out of this thing. CLSN's been on a nice run the past few weeks here. Sadly, I was on vacation last week and missed the majority of this run, but looking for hopefully a spike in the morning and then be looking to short this thing. I mean, unless it sets up again consolidation wise to go higher, but any quick spikes, then I'll be looking to short it for some quick downside for day trade scalp there. TZYM, it had a nice gap down there on November 15th from $4 to all the way to 120 or so. Seems to have maybe found a bottom here. Looking to see if we can get over Monday's high for over 74 for a push towards 80 or 90, and then we'll reevaluate it from there depending on if I trade it or not. So just keep your eye on that one. I think there might be a potential play coming off bottom here. ROSG finally broke out over bottom, or off bottom, over 5. Looking for a push over Monday's high there to keep it going higher. If it opens weak, if it opens weak, then watch for it to go red to green, and if it gaps up, then watch dips for sure. As long as it holds above 5, then I'm probably looking to swing trade this towards 6 or 7. And TASR, TASR, trying to break out again on the daily chart. Looks pretty good. Probably get another day or two out of this thing as long as it holds above 840. So that'll be your risk there. If you decide to play it, then put your stop somewhere below 840 in case it fails. Anyway, there's some stocks to watch there for November the 27th. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the chat room.